You definitely cannot make money with AI videos on YouTube or TikTok or any platform. And YouTube will definitely demonetize you. I know someone who tried it and they said it's definitely a scam or the best comment of all time. The one that usually comes up whenever we're talking about anything related to making money online, and that is if it's too good to be true, then it's probably a scam. And I always have this answer for you. You read that? Okay, enough of this nonsense. Let's dive into today's video. Let's talk facts, figures, and also how we do this. So if you scroll through my channel, you'll see I've been documenting that I started a Faceless AI YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the whole process. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to give you some free tools and free resources, and I'll give you the process and an outline of how we do this. Sound good? Let's go ahead and dive into the laptop. So over on the screen here, you will see right here in the middle, what does that say? It says, welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations on being accepted in here. Here's the thing. This channel on the screen is all done. It's faceless. It doesn't use my voice. And it's all done using AI. The whole thing. That sounds too good to be true. I appreciate it. However, here's where it gets even more ridiculous. This channel takes a minimum of 5 minutes a day to have it all up and running. So what I do with this is at the start of the week on a Monday, today, I schedule out all my content for the week, and it literally takes, well, normally about an hour, because I do videos for this channel and also another one, and it's just epic. It really is. But as you can see over here, we've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. This is the current subscribers. Views in the last 28 days. It's, funnily enough, 28,000 views in the last 28 days. So how are we doing this? What is the process? And how can you replicate this yourself? Well, I'll share with you the process, and then I'll share with you some resources, because literally this is everything I do for this. And I'm not trying to sell you a course or anything. It's all free, okay? So how do we do the videos? So if we come over here and look, I'll link this down below for you. So the link down below will take you over here to this piece of software called Syllabi. That link, by the way, will give you 25% off any of the paid plans. But they have a 7-day free trial. You can trial it out absolutely for free, okay? So click that. It will take you over here, or I'll give you some free training later. Now, inside of here, I'll show you how this works and how it looks and all the good stuff, okay? Because I've trialed and tested numerous AI softwares. None of them come anywhere near this. In fact, I've even cancelled my InVideo subscription. If you go back again, go back through my channel, a couple of videos, we did a comparison between this piece of software and InVideo, and there's just no comparison. So in here, this is how I do this. Okay, so on the left hand side, you've got all these different categories. I don't worry with any of those, but you can go in, you can click on discover ideas. It'll do all of it for you. So for this, all I do is very straightforward and simple. I come in here to create video, and I want a faceless video. Now here's where this piece of software is completely different to all the ones that are available. Okay, so once you click on create video, you can see it's a faceless video. See all these here, these are all video templates, and you can see a brief outline. Let me move my head. You can see an outline over here of how it would look. Now you can do this in landscape, or you can do it in portrait. So that's currently on portrait. If I wanted it in landscape, I just click on, funnily enough, I just click on landscape and it'd go in landscape, okay? Now, let me show you this. Click on view all. These are all of the different styles. There's unbelievable amounts in here, there really is, as you can see. So which ones do I like to use? I like to use ultra realistic or hyper realism, this one over here. I also like the paper cut art. We also use the comic book, and we've been testing out the selfie one more recently, okay? So you choose a template. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to go with the comic book theme, okay? So we'll go with it like that. And then you scroll down here, and you've got presets. Don't worry about that. If you want to, basically that will allow you to not go through selecting a template and other things. If you save one, it'll go in there, okay? But for this, we just go with language. So which language do you want the video in? Subtitle. Which one of these do you want going across the middle of the video? And in terms of the subtitles, you can have them in the middle, at the top, wherever, basically, or you can have none. And then you've got voices, so you click on there, go through and pick one. You can listen to them by clicking on the play button, and you can see the age on here, the nationality, etc. Okay, so we do that then. Do we want landscape or portrait? Video length, how long do you want it? So let's just go 1 to 3 minutes. And then if I scroll down here, this is something they've recently introduced, which is called character consistency. I mean, again, getting character consistency with AI is normally a bloody nightmare. So they've introduced that recently, but we're not going to use that. I'm just going to give you an example of how I'm doing this. So then we scroll down here and it says, what topic should we focus on? And basically, if I got AI or ChatGPT or Grok or another AI software to write a video script, I would paste it in here and it would create the video for me. But inside of here, you'll see they've got AI script assistant. So if I click on there, it will give you loads of different ideas. You can just put in your own if you want. So you see down here where it says write a video script. I'm just going to give it an outline. So let's just say, stick it, bearing in mind we're going with the comic book theme over here. Let's just say we want a story. Let's just go with a short story about, let's just say Wonder Woman. That'll do. I'm literally going to go with that for now, okay? Just to show you this process. A short story about Wonder Woman. Hit on generate script, and then it normally takes about 30 seconds and it'll spit out a full script for me. Now the thing is, I'm doing this very quickly for you, but you can go in up here where it says discover ideas, type in a topic and it will show you loads of different ideas, or you can even just ask again ChatGPT to give you some ideas. So if I scroll down here, you can see it has now given me a 4-minute and 11-second video script about Wonder Woman. And you can go through and proof it and read it if you want to. I'm not going to do that for the sake of the video. I don't want to waste your time. So now all I'm going to do is hit on generate video. And then it will start creating the video for me. And then it also gives me additional ideas down here related to that one we've just done. So we're not going to do that. So I'll pause the video. I'll come back once it's done. Okay, we're back. That took about 4 minutes. I managed to go ahead and grab a quick coffee. So I've not even looked at it. We'll look at it together. Let me just double check the sound is turned up so we can hear this together. And you can hear the voice and the sound effects and other bits. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on, oh, it's in my video record. Let me just do this. There we go.
In the realm of heroes and legends, there stands one warrior who has captured the hearts of millions around the world. Her name is Wonder Woman, and she is not just a figure of myth and fiction, but a symbol of strength, justice.
So, as you can see, the images that it creates inside of here are absolutely awesome. Why I love this piece of software is it doesn't use stock footage. For every scene in the video, it generates a unique image that you can create, that it creates and puts into the video for you. Now, if for any reason you're going through this and you think, well, I don't like that image, it doesn't match up to the part of the story, or the video or the image doesn't look that great, you can edit all the images. So to do that, you just go to edit images, you click on there like so. Then it opens up here and it shows you all of the images in that video. And it shows you the text down below as well. So you can go through here and edit any image that you like. But as you can see, it looks absolutely brilliant. But let's just say, for argument's sake, we didn't want this one here with a plane. So if I click on edit image, it takes you in there and it shows you the prompt down here. So let me go to image regeneration. It shows you the prompt down here, what it used to generate that image. If you don't like it, you just simply click on generate. And as you can see over here, you get three free image generations. After that, it will cost 1 credit. But realistically, with 3 regenerations, you'll be absolutely fine. You can also upload your own images in here if you actually, if you actually wanted to, and you can also add motion in here as well. I haven't been doing that. I have literally just been watching the video. If I'm happy with it, then I'll just download it. But like I say, you can come in here and you can change the images if need be. But as you've seen over here, it's absolutely awesome. The images that it creates for you and the video that it puts together is brilliant for you. The voiceover sounds absolutely brilliant as well. And overall, I'm really happy with it. So once you're happy with it, you just simply go ahead and download that image, download that completed video, and that is it done. It takes minutes per day to do this. Now I'm doing this with a number of channels. I've got one focused purely on YouTube monetization. I've got another one which is focused on a certain category around a product in affiliate marketing. We're just starting to build that one out now. And then the one I showed you has now been monetized. So once you've got your video, you upload it to YouTube, you go ahead and make sure you've got your tags, your YouTube thumbnail, you optimize your video and that stuff. That brings us on to the next thing. How do you do all this? Well, I've got a free training down below for. So if you click the link down below, it will take you over to this page, and on here, simply put in your name and email, and then you will go into my autoresponder. Inside of the autoresponder, we send you out one email for 4 days, and inside of that email, there is a link to a training video. There's also homework on there for you. And basically, we cover everything. So day 1 is setting up your channel. Day 2, we look at the niche and deciding on video ideas. We go through creating the video, optimizing the video, doing a bit of keyword research and other stuff. And by the end of the 4 days, you will have your very own Faceless AI YouTube channel up and running. There's nothing to pay. I'm not trying to upsell you a course or anything like that. It's all free. So the link to that will be down below. But look, if you don't want to go through my free training, I'll just put the link down below to Syllabi, and you can just go over there and check it out yourself. So look, that is today's video. If you have any comments or questions, then please let me know. And the final thing I'll say is this 4-day free challenge, this is all based upon my own results from using the software and setting it all up. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.